All right, here is a distance problem. Let's take a look. What is the straight line distance between the points 5, 2 and 12, 6? Well, I always like to draw this out. I like to draw out a coordinate plane whenever it tells me I have coordinates, so let me do that real quick. I have the point 5, 2, which is 5 over and 2 up. I'll even label it right there. 5, 2. Just like that. And then I also have the point 12, 26, way up there. 12, 26, just like that. Now, if you are an algebra nerd, you might say, oh, well, I'll just use the distance formula. And if you know the distance formula, if you know that off the top of your head, hats off to you. But for the rest of us, the distance formula can be a little, what's the word I'm looking for? Unwieldy. It's a lot. I'll write it out here, but I'm going to show everybody a way to do this without the distance formula. So just so you have it, the distance formula is, deep breath, square root of x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared, all under a square root. It's a lot. It's got superscripts. It's got subscripts. It's got square roots. It's a lot. But let me show you a pretty cool way of doing this problem instead. All right, so I'm trying to find, again, this straight line distance right there. Not the slope. I didn't ask for the slope. I asked for the distance of this straight line right here. How far is that trip from here to here? Well, here's something that we can do. Let's turn this into a right triangle, right? We're in the coordinate plane, so we're going at sharp turns. What's the horizontal distance from here to here? From 5 as an x to 12 as an x, it's 7. And then the vertical distance from 2 to 26 as a y, well, that is 24. Now, if you know your Pythagorean triples by heart, you may know that this is a Pythagorean triple. If not, you can use the Pythagorean theorem. 7 squared plus 24 squared equals c squared. What you find is that c equals 25, right? So 25 is the straight line distance between those 2 points. But here's my little epilogue to this whole story. Remember that scary looking distance formula? Look at it again with a pair of fresh eyes. Do you notice something? It is the Pythagorean theorem. x1 minus x2 is the horizontal distance. y1 minus y2 is the vertical distance. And the square root means we're square rooting this. So if we squared both sides, it would be c squared. A squared plus b squared equals the hypotenuse squared.